Second classic is absolutely the Bellini, peach Bellini. Look, these are flat ones, beautiful. This peach Bellini has a kind of tinge of this skin colour here. See that lovely rosy cheek colour? Now the reason they get that is because they scrunch it up in their hands, like that, and then they literally rub or push it through a sieve so you get that colour out of it. And then in here, you've got this beautiful puree. So, I'm just going to pour the Prosecco and mix it in to my puree. Here we go. Just pour in. Now, the name Bellini came from one day when Cipriani from Harry's Bar made this peach and Prosecco cocktail. The sun was setting and it hit his favourite Bellini picture, and the colours reminded him of his beautiful peach cocktail, and that's where it's got his name for. End of the day, sun setting, great, great cocktail. All I've got to do now is drink the little bugger. Delicious. Really, really good.